I've already primed my eyelids with MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and I'm just going to set down the eyeshadow base with Vanilla Bean by Makeup Geek. Just a matte kind of vanilla-y white shade, and I'm just going to use that. Okay, so I'm going to do some sort of rose gold eye look, but I don't know what I'm going to do exactly, so I might go do one eye off camera and then come back. Okay, so this is the look that I came up with. So I'm going to be using the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop Dream Street eyeshadow palette right here. So this is what the palette looks like. I love it. I've been using it for a few weeks now and I'm just in love with it, and I thought I just had to do a tutorial using it. So I'm going to take this shade right here, just a very nice matte peach shade, and I'm going to start using this as an initial transition colour. Then I'm actually gonna mix one of the shades with another Colourpop palette. So I'm gonna mix this shade right here, and I'm gonna just mix it with a shade from the All I See Is Magic palette, which is also by Colourpop. I'm just gonna mix it with this one here just to get that more kind of warm orange, because that one in Kathleen's palette is just a tiny bit red, and I just wanted something a tiny bit more warm. I'm going to tap off my brush because when I did this eye it was so pigmented when I applied it, so I'm going to just kind of pat it in the outer corner first and then just start taking it in to the crease, and you can see how pigmented that went on. I'm going to go back in with the blending brush I used with the peach shade and just take that tiny bit again on the brush and just kind of buff out the edges of that red just so they're nicely blended and there's no harsh line there. Then I'm going to take a precise brush and I'm going to take the kind of vibrant corally pink from the palette right there, and I'm going to kind of take this from the inner corner all the way to the outer. So I'm concentrating it here first. Then I'm going to take it through the crease. Oh my god, I just love this palette so much. I'm going to take this chocolate brown shade right there and I'm just going to apply that in the outer V and a tiny bit in the inner corner as well. Just to kind of deepen up the edges. I'm going to be putting another kind of like glitter shade on the outer corner, but it's very subtle, but it's there. Then I'm going to go with the lid shade. I'm going to use two shades on the lid, and I'm going to take this one to start off with. I'm going to take this kind of from the inner half over kind of a third of the eye. So this shade right there. So I did kind of use a bit of setting spray when I took it. I'm going to kind of wipe the brush off and then use the other side, and then I'm going to take this kind of more kind of coppery bronzy shade and I'm going to apply that kind of from the outer corner into it and then blend them together. I'm going to kind of pat over the rose gold shade just so it kind of blends together afterwards. Then I'm just going to take my blending brush and just not take any extra product, I'm just going to blend . I'm just going to go, oh no wait, I haven't done the brow bone, hold on. I was going to take this shade and make it so intense, but I thought not. So I'm just going to take this shade right here. It is like it looks like a kind of cream vanilla shade, but it's kind of got a sheen to it. It's a really nice brow bone highlight as well as an inner corner, so that's what I'm going to use. Okay, now I'm going to go put some eyeliner, mascara, all that on, and then I'll be right back. And that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the look that I came up with. So remember to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, so I'm first gonna my god, what's it with my voice? Okay, so then I'm gonna take this kind of, oh my god.